Do you know what would be the result of this equation in JavaScript? Don't jump into conclusion. Take a deep breath. The answer is bazillion. How do you feel about the following equation in JavaScript? The answer is bazillion 20. Why is that? Let's clear it up. Hi, let's talk today about integer representation in JavaScript. I'm Anatol, and you are watching the good parts of the Frontend development. If this is your first time here and you want to learn Frontend and JavaScript, start now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. JavaScript numbers are all 64-bit floating point values, for double precision, stored according to the standard. The fraction occupies bits 0 to 51 and exponent occupies bits 52 to 62, and the sign occupies bits 63. According to that, JavaScript can only safely represent numbers within the range. Safe in this context refers to the ability to represent integers exactly and to correctly compare them. All previous numbers can be represented, but this integer value cannot be represented. Numbers higher than 2 power 53 can be represented, because the exponent can be used. Each multiplication by 2 simply increments the exponent by 1 and does not affect the fraction. Hence, the initial sample is evaluated as following. It's because the limiting resource at the high end of the integer range is the fraction. Meanwhile, the exponent still has room to grow. Hence, only even number can be represented in this range. The spacing increases to multiplies of 4 in that range, and of 8 in this range. That's it. So easy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.